Hi all, welcome back to the SBT Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with an unboxing of Happy Vegan planner. I did order the planner in the pre-order, so I got everything in this box, and yeah, I've kept everything in here. So let's see what all we got. I think this has a desk calendar, wall calendar, and also some goodies. I think this was a gift, if I'm not wrong. I'll put that aside. So this is a wall calendar. Everything is an art by Tati Aberui. I think she's an artist, and I really like the print. There are so many other goodies by this artist in the photo. You can see, I think Happy Vegan also had 1+1 offer after I ordered this. But yeah, I did order some undated planners also, which I'll show after this. But yeah, this is the planner. Let's see the wall calendar first, which is like I'm very excited for. Um, so this is an appointment wall calendar. So the art is very nice. It's really good size wall calendar. You can see this is January. You have ample amount of space to write. I really like when they give a good amount of space in these blocks so you can write things. And the art is also so peaceful and soothing to see. Can you see how beautiful it is? February, and then March, which resembles like a flannel top cover. It's April, it's so beautiful. And then May, so nice. June, it's so beautiful. You have birds, flowers, and then you have July. August is pretty again. September, October, November is again pretty. December is beautiful. So yeah, this is what you have. It's an illustration of each month, season wise. So it's good. I think it would have been good if they have given some stickers us at backside of the wall calendar, so you can use them pretty easily. But it's good. I like the print. The overall the size of this calendar is really good to use. I'll use it for my bedroom or hall. I have a Visha planner also. Depending on how I prefer, I'll use one for my hall and one for my bedroom. I really like these. These are very nice to see what is the date, and if you have any plans, you can jot it down. Calendar. This is huge. I really like this concept of desk calendar, which is really big, and yeah, it's a floral one, and it has this gold spiral one. You also have this hanger, which is nice. Normally desk calendars are like this size, right? Small size. The one I had in bucket is small. I will use it for my office, but this one is like you can use it for wall. You can also hang it if your desk is big. But I really like the concept. You can use it either as a desk or as a wall calendar, so you can hang that. And I don't know, for now I might use it for my YouTube planning. That's what I'm thinking, instead of or Instagram post planning. It's really convenient for me to write down. It has good amount of space. You also have note section here, and that's January. The prints and everything is same as the wall calendar. You have good amount of space. This is what I love, when they give space, so you can write many things here. You can plan so many things. I might use it as my desk calendar for my social media. I think this is really suitable for that. Let's see how I'll plan. It's really pretty. Get it. You have a lot of space, and also at the back side of each page you have this empty place, so you can write things, your ideas, or if you have something to write down or plan it with stickers, which is good again. So the place is not wasted. It's given to all desk calendar. I really appreciate it. The quality is not that great, like it's normal paper. Because of the size of the calendar, it's fine. I'm totally okay with this. So I really like this one as well. So that's the desk calendar. I actually use this. I'll cut these things and maybe use it as a gift, cards or something. I won't waste it. Yeah, I'm not good at art, but I really appreciate art when it comes in this form. And here comes the planner. So yeah, it says it is never too late to be what you might have been, which is really nice quote. And you have the planner here. The box is good. You can store. It's magnetic. I think, yeah, it's magnetic. You can use it to save. Have sticker book or something if you are a planner woman. So that's the planner. I really like the print. It's so peaceful. It's not spiral, it's a book model. I'm fine because I already have Alicia, which will be spiral, and Ink Bucket is also spiral. So yeah, it's good to have a different planner. So that's how the planner is. And I really like the art. It's so colorful, peaceful to eyes, and the quote they mention is really nice. It says, "Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love." And you have a butterfly here. You have a beautiful vision board. I can't wait to fill this up. And you have yearly goals, monthly goals, and also steps towards your dreams. I think it's very important to know how you want to fulfill that goal. I mean, every year I do write my goals, but you know, it's important also to know how to work for your goals. That's when you're going to achieve them. And I think that's why I couldn't achieve all my goals last year, but this year I'll plan properly. And also, you have very beautiful quotes. You have the calendar here for 2022, and you have year at a glance, and then you have a quote again. And I really like the print painting. I feel they could have given little more space here. I feel it's little congested for me, for my preference, but it's okay if you don't have too much plannings. But this is the monthly January view. You also have a note section here, and you have monthly planning, monthly goals, top priorities. You have habit tracker. You can track your habits, like 3 habits you can track it. And here is your weekly spread, January 1st, and then again after every week you have ample amount of space to write down, which is good. Every page has this same kind of painting for January. Let's see if it's the same for all the months. And then you have quote, what you seek is seeking you, and February is floral with cheetah print. Yeah, it's different for every month, so yeah, that's good. I wish they would have given this, like, you know, month-wise section. It's easy to flip through. You have this this what do you say, it's easy to know, but again I don't prefer that much. It's easy for me to skip through to monthly. I think it's March. Yeah, March. And wow, April is so beautiful. All good things are wild and free. And every month is the same spread. You have a picture. Should be May. June is so beautiful. July, August, September, October. The quotes are really nice. November, it's like the outer box of this planner. And then comes December. And after the month ends, you have this beautiful painting, Believe in Yourself, and then you have good amount of space. You have a password tracking, which is good. I have not seen in any planner, which is really good when you have so many websites, like shopping website and other websites. You can actually write it down, so you remember the passwords. And you have stickers here, which is good. It's really pretty stickers. I love stickers. And you have good amount of golden stickers, a top priority, day off, vacation. I think these are good, useful. But I wish they had many stickers. It's only 3 pages, I see. Yeah, 3 pages of stickers. And then you have empty pages, so you can write whatever you want. And year in review. You don't have a pocket or anything like that. But yeah, that's a pretty good planner. It's really nice. I think Happy Urban had 1+1 offer recently, and also a lot of other offers ongoing. You can actually purchase in 50% off, which is really useful and good. So that's the planner. First freebie is this one, which I got as a napkin, which is good, radiate positivity. It's a good size one, and it's really pretty. This is the desk calendar I got as a freebie. Which is a small good one. I can use it on my desk just to see what date it is and write some notes. It's really nice and useful. Nothing much fancy about it, but it's good a small one which you can use it for your office or home. And then you have this weekly planner. I was actually about to buy this, but I got this in the freebie, which is really good. So this is for 52 weeks. It's an undated weekly planner. You can plan if you're a student, if you're studying, you can plan your study. If you're working, your work, or if you have any social media, you can actually plan. It's an undated one, which is 52 weeks, which is good. I feel undated are really nice, especially for planning. Because if you're busy and if you miss one day, you don't waste that page. You can actually use that. Then I got this to-do list pages. You can actually write and stick it on your fridge or desk, and it's really good amount of pages, so you can use this. It's so nice. And also I got this notes book, and it's really pretty printed, and it's again stick it one. You can use it to stick. I got a dot book journal free, which is of 100 pages and 140 DSM. I'm planning to include journaling in my life, so it's a nice way to start journaling and reduce some stress out of my life. So that's again a freebie which I got. And then I got a free book of stickers. It's a big book of stickers. My nephew already started using it, so kind of used, but there were a lot of stickers, as you can see. This was meant to color, so we colored it together. It was a nice activity, and if you have kids, you can actually sit down and color. We colored every image of this. We also colored this one. He did color it, and it has good amount of stickers actually from Alicia. Alicia really have good stickers. It's a big book of stickers actually. That's what it's called. Again, it's used. So this is the big book of stickers you get along with this as a pre-order. These are the freebies which I got. Also I got 2 keychains free, which I don't know where I kept. So these were the freebies. Let me organize everything and show you what all I got. So this is all I got in my Happy Wagon planner trio with the freebies. The trio which I ordered is this wall calendar, a planner, and then this appointment calendar, which is wall calendar actually. You can use this as desk or wall calendar, and all the others are freebies. I really like the freebies. So many freebies. So I really like it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not part of PS Fam. And let me know your comments down below. How did you like this, and if you picked this planner. I'm also doing part 2 of this video where I'll show you what all I picked up from Happy Wagon when they had a sale. But this is the first thing which I picked up from there.